Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury living meets timeless design. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive tour of a truly stunning luxury residence that perfectly represents elegance, comfort, and modern sophistication. This home is designed for those who appreciate refined details, open spaces, and a lifestyle that blends beauty with functionality. From the very first glance, this property makes a powerful impression. As the camera rises into a smooth daytime drone view, the architectural beauty of the home comes into full focus. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and premium exterior finishes immediately set this mansion apart. The carefully planned landscaping complements the structure perfectly, creating a welcoming yet grand presence that feels private, peaceful, and undeniably luxurious. As we approach the main entrance, you'll notice how thoughtfully the design guides you inward. The entrance is spacious and elegant, offering a seamless transition from the outdoors to the interior. Natural light floods the space, highlighting high-quality materials and a carefully curated color palette that feels both modern and timeless. This is the kind of entrance that instantly makes you feel at home, while still reminding you that this is no ordinary house. Stepping into the living room, the sense of space becomes even more apparent. Large windows allow daylight to pour in, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere throughout the day. The layout is open yet well-defined, offering flexibility for both everyday living and entertaining guests. Every detail, from the flooring to the ceiling finishes, reflects a commitment to quality and comfort. This is a space designed not just to be admired, but to be lived in. Moving into the kitchen, we find the true heart of the home. Designed with both style and practicality in mind, this kitchen offers ample storage, premium surfaces, and a layout that encourages connection. Whether you're preparing a quiet family meal or hosting an elegant dinner party, this space delivers functionality without sacrificing luxury. The dining area flows naturally from the kitchen, making it ideal for gatherings, celebrations, and everyday moments alike. The TV lounge offers a more relaxed environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Soft lighting, comfortable seating, and a cozy yet sophisticated ambiance make this room a favorite for movie nights, sports evenings, or simply spending quality time with loved ones. It's a space that balances entertainment and comfort effortlessly. As we explore further, the private areas of the home continue to impress. The bedrooms are generously sized, offering tranquility and privacy. The master bedroom, in particular, feels like a personal retreat. With its calm atmosphere, elegant finishes, and thoughtful layout, it's designed to be a place where you can truly relax and recharge. The bathrooms mirror this sense of luxury, featuring high-end fittings, refined design, and a spa-like feel that elevates everyday routines. This home also understands the importance of lifestyle amenities. A dedicated gym space allows you to maintain an active routine without ever leaving the comfort of your home. The garage is spacious and practical, offering secure parking while maintaining the same high design standards seen throughout the property. Stepping outside, the outdoor areas reveal yet another layer of this home's appeal. The swimming pool area is designed for both relaxation and entertainment, offering a resort-style experience right at home. Nearby, a beautifully positioned swing area adds a peaceful, almost cinematic touch, perfect for quiet mornings or calm evenings. The outdoor space feels private, serene, and perfectly integrated with the overall design of the home. What truly sets this property apart is how seamlessly it blends luxury with livability. Every room flows naturally into the next, creating a home that feels cohesive, balanced, and thoughtfully designed. It's not just about size or appearance, it's about how the space makes you feel. At American Dream Mansions, we believe luxury is about more than just beautiful homes, it's about inspiring dreams and showcasing what's possible. This property does exactly that. It represents a lifestyle of comfort, elegance, and aspiration, making it a true dream mansion in every sense of the word. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know which part of the home stood out to you the most. Until next time, this is American Dream Mansions, bringing you closer to the world's most beautiful homes.